My name is Paul Clues and I'm the Managing Director of Alpha Manufacturing. Alpha Manufacturing are a market-leading subcontract sheet metal and fabrication business. We've got fairly good leads into all the local colleges and universities, and they approached us with a project.
My name is Toram Sindeki. I studied aeronautical engineering at Staffordshire University. I found out about the Pathfinder role through Unitemps, and Unitemps usually offers programs that are beneficial for students. This Pathfinder program actually stood out for me because of its flexible hours it had, which meant I could actually do my final year project at university and also gain work experience at the same time.
We had a number of meetings with the university where they made the introductions with the student tour. From the project we wanted to achieve some new ideas for our new spin-off business HEX Living.
So I was creating potential innovation ideas, going to garden centres where we were presenting our furniture range that we had and speaking to business owners, managing directors and entrepreneurs to increase the product range that they had.
Our MPD team now are working on some of the ideas that Torre developed. Hopefully you'll be seeing them in some garden centres near you in the future.
My advice was there for me further away.
I would meet with Torre once, twice, 3 times a week, ask him how he was getting on, listen to any of the issues that he might be having, help him to map out across the business, so just helping him to refine what he was thinking.
It was helpful to actually have someone to speak to, and this actually made it very easy for me to come up with some very useful ideas that they could use in the next 2 to 3 years.
And off the back of them, we've now got a really great trainee production engineer in the making, so I think that's a massive benefit of the project.
Being able to work in this internship actually managed to help me see how I can maneuver into a certain career path, and this also increased my skills as in communication, team working, and actually being able to present ideas of what we're working on.
The whole process was self-managing. I think the involvement from the innovations manager was fantastic. Torre brought to the project bags and bags of enthusiasm, and I think the tangible benefits that we'll get out of this from an HEX Living point of view will be great moving forward.
For me, I would definitely recommend for anyone who is thinking of getting some work experience to actually do it. It's actually got me a job at Alpha Manufacturing as a trainee production engineer.